Hey guys, how's it going?
Hi. Look who's here at my house!
We are going to film a garden tour today.
It's been too long, my friend.
It's been way too long.
You have been so freaking busy.
We've both been a little busy. I mean, look at this garden. We've both been very, very busy.
Yes.
Life has
but
been
I'm glad
busy.
you're here. I missed you. I missed you.
Here we go. So, you're going to give us a tour of your garden today.
Okay.
Since I have not been here in, I think, over a year.
Yeah, which is ridiculous. You were like, oh, I haven't seen the center island. And I'm going, what? Are you joking? Okay.
So, we're going to turn the camera around. She's going to give us a quick tour of the garden.
Yay!
All right, let's get to it.
So, where do I even get started? This is the orchard garden, and...
Wait. I have an idea. What?
No.
Well, yes.
No, whatever your idea is, Robbie.
I want to know the plants that have not been performing super well in your garden.
I thought you were joking when you said that.
No.
Okay, you want to know some plants that are not performing in my garden?
Because I have a list that are not performing in my garden.
I think it's just that time of year where everything's kind of getting a little... Let's say our patience is running a little thin, and
that's a good way to put it.
When there are certain plants that are just not really working,
right next to ones that are really working.
Look at how beautiful these look.
That's stunning.
Oh, it's in its second flush of blooms. Don't get too close to my bird bath.
Those are just icebergs.
They're just icebergs. They're just
icebergs are just staples.
I mean, the more I've been gardening, the more I've been learning that sometimes it's better just to go with the tried and true plants that don't stress you out, like some other ones.
So wait, are there some in your garden that are stressing you out?
Let me show you. Okay, have you seen the picture of the Lavender River, my inspiration picture here?
Yes.
I'll give it to you and put it up on the screen. Let's just say this didn't work the way that I thought it was going to turn out. This is my Lavender River, and I planted all of this lavender with vinca surrounding it. The vinca is kind of pretty. What is going on here, Robbie? What is going on here?
There's like a death line.
It's so sad. And we live in California.
It should do so well for us.
We should be able to grow lavender, no problem. Okay, so here's the problem is I think I have a really bad drainage issue here, right? So it probably wasn't the best place to plant lavender.
Like there's too much water here? Do you remember though when we went to that lavender field?
Yes.
And the woman told us they need more water than we thought?
Yes! Okay, so what was that, like a year ago?
A year ago.
Robbie and I and our friend Pri went to this lavender field, and she kept saying, we're so dry here, we need more water. We're so dry, we need more water.
She gives it so much water.
So that's but that's the only thing I can think of, because if you look at the vinca leaves, they're all yellow.
Yeah.
So maybe it's just not good drainage or something here.
Yeah.
I don't know, but this is killing me, and I'm telling you, I'm just gonna rip it out like one day.
I mean, half of it's already gone.
Half of it's dead.
So, I don't know if you have to just rip it out.
So if you're wondering what plants are really bugging me, these are killing me these days.
Oh my gosh.
Absolutely killing me. But I'll focus on some good stuff over here. This tree is a El Nino Catalpa, which is amazing. It is getting a teeny bit of powdery mildew at this time of year, but...
Is it deciduous?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It can get powdery mildew
right now.
Yeah,
it doesn't matter anyway, but I have enjoyed
and
this tree.
And it still has some of its blooms on it,
Look
too.
at how tall it is.
Look
at how tall it is.
It is huge. But it still has some of its blooms.
I know.
They're very pretty.
Have you planted one of these yet?
No, don't they get quite large?
Wow.
I mean, this is a pretty young one.
You can't fit this in your yard, Robbie? Come on, you're the master at shoving things in, shoving it into a little corner.
I know. If you see on Janey's channel, you'll see all the plants I just got in my car.
Oh my God. You're the master at shoving things into your little yard. That's why your yard is so great, because it shows what you can actually fit in a small yard, which is perfect.
Yeah.
So anyway, this was good. What else? Oh, let me show you my red bud over here. It's so sad.
Okay, but the front of the house is looking so good.
Isn't it looking great? I love it. It's fun. I think I'm just finally at that time in this garden's life where things are starting to actually look good.
Yeah.
Except for this. So this is my lavender twist redbud. I love it. It was a gift from my friend Katie.
From our friend Katie over at Ace Hardware.
I'm sorry, our friend Katie. this thing. I cannot keep it clean. This is, I'm pronouncing it wrong. I call it Cercospora, but Jim Putnam called it Cercospora. That's what he called it. Cercospora. And that, you know, this is something that I think it's a fungus, I want to say, that red buds get. But this guy is so susceptible to it that I'm just like, how I think I just need to move it, is what it is. So.
Okay.
But like, it's kind of front and center.
Why does it get the fungus? Do you know? Is it too much?
I have no idea.
Sweet.
If anybody watching this knows, please let us know in the comment section below.
Yeah, what do we do to not have the fungus?
Oh! Did it fall off?
Yeah.
Oh my I am very, very annoyed with this tree. It is definitely, you know, like I love the idea of it, but it's just not, it's obviously not in the right spot. So then I have to transplant it and I have to figure out where it
When it's hard, the top of it doesn't look happy.
Right? I mean, it's supposed to be weeping.
Yeah.
But like I have my flamethrower red buds over here and these guys are beautiful in the center island. Not flamethrower.
I was like, wait. The one that I just bought?
No, Rising Sun.
I was looking at the Rising Sun.
Watch your steps, watch your steps. Yeah, so these are the Rising Sun red buds. And they are just fantastic, beautiful, but I don't know if it's just because it's in a different area, you know what I mean? Maybe that spot is just not a good spot for the red buds. So, and usually red buds are pretty good for us here, so I'm not totally sure.
This view from the deck.
Isn't it nice?
It is so nice.
I know.
When I pulled in, she was sitting right up here.
Yes, waiting for you.
Yes.
I
think you just need some like shades. If you did like some of those drop shades right here.
Wouldn't that be perfect?
It'd be so perfect.
I know. But I need to I need to get this hooked up to electricity. Yeah. Because I want to put, for Christmas, I want to put like Christmas trees here.
Oh, that'd be so
You should
pretty.
come help me decorate for Christmas.
That'd be so pretty.
I'm asking you so that you can use your muscle. That would be so
beautiful.
Would be really,
wait. What is this with the variegate? Is that a buddleia?
That's an echium.
Echium.
That's called Star of Madeira. You're probably more familiar with Pride of Madeira, that has these big, like blue flower spikes. This is Star of Madeira. It's just a variegated version. Isn't that just?
Are the blooms smaller on this one?
No, they're about the same size as Pride of Madeira. Okay. But it's not like Tower of Jewels. Tower of Jewels is huge. Huge, absolutely huge. I tried planting some of those, but I put it over by another plant that I made that's not in my garden. My black walnut, or my neighbor's black walnut tree that is... I didn't realize what a problem it was going to be for me because black walnuts secrete chemical...
They basically poison the soil.
They poison the soil, right? It's jugalone. And so you have to be really careful what you plant around it. But the problem is that you can plant something and it'll survive. It'll like hold on for a couple months and then all of a sudden it'll be like, oh, I can't handle it. And so then you think everything's fine and then like that, it's you know, it's totally done. So that's what happened to my Tower of Jewels. But my Star of Madeira is doing really well right here.
That one's really pretty.
Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Apparently it spreads a lot, but I'm okay with that.
That's a really pretty one to spread. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay, I'm taking you to something that is doing amazing.
Okay.
It was the first thing I really planted in my garden. It has a special name. It's ignore the horrible pile of witches.
It's not that.
Ignore this. But look at Robbie the Willow.
This thing is huge now.
Isn't it amazing? Robbie. So for those of you who don't know, this was the very first tree I planted, really.
It was one of the very first plants.
Robbie brought it for me. We did a video on it. It was really fun. And I'm
trying to think back. There was, you hadn't planted anything.
Nothing.
Remember how rock hard the soil was? And that's when we figured out how awful your soil was.
We were trying to dig in the soil here and we were so tired that we were like, okay, forget it. Let's turn on the hose and go inside and chill out. And we came back an hour later.
It was still hard, but it was mud.
Still hard. Yeah, but it's gotten so much better. Not in this area because I haven't done anything.
But this looks huge now.
Doesn't it look so good?
That's so crazy.
So thank you for my tree.
Right there, right in the front.
I love it.
Oh my gosh.
Now I have a matching one to you. So anyway, that's doing really good. Oh, let me show you this area. This video, I feel bad. It's like...
Wait, didn't you have a bunch of plants in this?
I pulled them all out. Now this is going to be my trial garden bed.
So it's still going to stay a bed?
It's still going to, at least for this year.
Okay.
But like you can see, the first plant I have here is
A phlox.
Phlox, there we go. I couldn't remember the name of it. Do you plant phlox?
I love phlox.
Does it do well in your garden?
Yeah. Opening act, ultra pink. Yeah, I've got a few of those. They do great.
Oh, they do?
If I plant them too late in the springtime, they'll burn for me.
Oh.
And then once they get acclimated, then I get a flush and a flush.
They do better.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
planting in the fall is probably good.
Planting in the fall is probably way better.
All right.
If I plant them like April,
it's too late.
It's too late. They'll burn.
Yeah, they just don't have enough root system.
Yeah.
So the plan for this bed is to just plants that I'm not totally confident with and like don't really want to waste a spot in my garden. I'm going to plant here, see how they do, and then if they do well, then I'll plant them out into my garden. So it's just going to be a trial bed. Plus, you know how we get to try all the new plants that come out.
Yeah.
And some of them, like, you're like, I have never even heard of this.
I don't know what to do with it. How much sun can it actually take?
Right.
How is it actually going to perform in the garden?
So this is
kind of nice.
Yeah. So this is going to be.
And this will be a big trial bed to like check everything.
Yeah. Yeah, don't look at the weeds.
Don't look at the weeds.
So I'm like, don't look at this. Don't look at it. It's just that time of year. Look at my dahlias.
Oh my gosh.
This is like one of the first dahlia blooms that I got all year.
Wow.
I don't remember the name of this, but it's really pretty.
It is really pretty.
Yeah. And then these guys.
These are the proven winners ones.
Yeah, these are the proven winners. They're beautiful.
Yeah.
But they only start blooming towards the end of the season. So you kind of have just green. And then
a ton of blooms.
Yeah, so
which is fine. I guess everything's starting to fizzle out, but
yeah, so it gives you some color, but then it's a long time without color. So just be aware of that, which I think is kind of how it is for dahlias. Okay, so this area, what the heck?
Why is this not like? This is like, what the heck? The entry to your driveway. Why is this not the most colorful thing?
I don't know.
Another lavender. I think that maybe. You know what? I've actually been toying with the idea of just not growing lavender anymore.
I'm right there with you.
Yeah.
I think that there's something wrong with my soil. I'm going to order a soil test for over here. I think that soil is really alkaline or something here. I even had a tree I planted and the tree died.
Oh.
And it's just this area right here. And I don't even know, like, it's the weirdest thing. So
even your purple fountain grass, how long have you had that in the ground? Why is that not tall?
It's been in the ground for over a year.
That should be huge.
Look at the size of it.
That's like you just planted it.
Is that not the weirdest thing? And it's not dead, right?
No.
And then these are privets.
Yeah.
And
they should take off.
They're getting like a yellow color.
Oh, it's not like a variegated one.
It's not variegated. That's what everybody's like. Oh, you have a variegated privet. I'm like, no. This is just a regular privet.
No. Well, what is the tree right there?
This one?
Yeah.
This is an almond.
Oh, okay.
It's not a black walnut. That would explain it, but no, that's an almond.
But it doesn't explain it.
Yeah. So anyway. That's a fun. Okay, I'll stop complaining
about
my garden now.
But I mean,
have a nice view of the prettiness.
The rest of this,
right? It looks good.
It looks really good.
I'm happy with it. Before you stop, I have to show off my secret garden.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so into the secret garden.
Into my secret garden. So
I love the entry into this so much.
I'm so happy with it.
I love the panels.
Even with the stupid black walnut tree. I'm working around it.
Working around it.
But yeah, so this is my Clematis armandii. This will bloom in the spring, really early on in the spring, and just be absolutely beautiful. Planted all these sprinter boxwoods.
This is giving like secret English garden.
Yes. Right?
Yes, with the terracotta, the bistro, the sound of water.
You gave me this fountain.
That you sometimes like.
Do you hear me talking smack about the fountain?
I heard you talk smack about it like a week after.
It's just a difficult fountain to keep running. Plus I have this guy who
just drinks out of it. It's fine. It's fine.
So these are my coral bark maples. Look at they're turning.
Oh,
Isn't
pretty.
That beautiful?
In a year, let me know how they do for you. Then maybe I'll plant one in my garden. I want a maple so bad.
You should.
You know our area though. I know.
You have to have like the perfect spot for it.
Yeah.
It's really difficult. And then my beds, my window boxes, I'm so happy with.
The lamium is so pretty. I love lamium so much.
And I'm gonna go to Costco and I'm gonna get more of these and like kind of fill them out for winter and all that kind of stuff. But these are my girls' bedrooms, and normally the blinds are open.
Yeah.
And so they can see out, and it just makes me so happy.
That's so nice. Yeah, and then they both have pretty window boxes.
Yeah.
I love that.
So we all have places in our garden that are we hate that need work. We should say.
That we want to rip everything out, start over,
but you're trying to be, I don't know. Like, do you ever just get in the mood where you're just like, God, I just gotta rip it out, and then regret it, and then, like, I have ripped stuff out, and I'm like,
maybe I should have waited a day.
Shouldn't have done that. That was deciduous, and it was losing its leaves. It was the end of fall.
Okay, no. I've never done like that.
There are times, like, let's just say I'm a little too impulsive. So I'm trying to be kind of calm this year and trying to take my time with it, let things kind of, sink in. Like, for instance, my false hydrangea vines, I was going to rip these out, and I'm so glad I didn't, because they're really starting
now they're growing. They're
starting to grow, and they're starting to look beautiful. So
it's, the sleep, creep, leap.
I know. It's a hard concept, right?
Brent is so impatient. He'll be like, why isn't that grown? I'm like, because it's been in the ground for 6 hours.
Yeah.
That's why it hasn't grown.
Like, cool. Hold on. It's when I think of Aaron, the impatient gardener.
Oh, yeah.
I always think, yeah, that's a good description, Aaron.
There we go.
I can feel you on that, Aaron, for sure.
Yeah. What boxwoods are these?
Sprinter boxwoods from Proven Winners.
Are they English boxwood? Do you know? Japanese boxwoods? Not a clue? Okay.
Let's check the tag.
Let's check the tag. Because I was just looking at boxwoods, but I really want to do... Oh, hi, Monty. Hello, can I see your ball?
How do you tell if they're English?
It should say...
Buxus microphylla. Ooh. I think it would say Japonica.
Japonica is Japanese.
So it must be English. Yeah. Shows how much we know. We're Californians talking about boxwoods.
Wait, you know what they say about the English boxwood, though?
They smell like cat pee.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta suck it up.
They smell.
Suck it up for beauty.
They smell so bad when they get to a mature size.
But you hate it more than most people I know.
I do. It really bugs me.
I can't.
Some people can't smell it.
Yeah.
So maybe you'll be golden.
It doesn't bother.
I mean, if anything, it's your kids' problem.
They're fine.
They'll be fine. They'll be fine.
They'll suck it up.
Well, I think that is going to be it. We got a peek at a garden tour of things that are looking good.
That was fun. Because I always try and stay a little positive and be like, everything's good, everything's fine. And this was like, I hate this.
But it's not on your channel, so it doesn't matter, right?
I hate this one, and this one sucks. No. If you're feeling this way about your garden, don't feel bad, because it's just that time of year.
It's the end of the year.
Yeah.
Everyone's done gardening. Yeah. I'm done gardening. That's our life. That's what we do for a living.
You know, in like 2 weeks, we're going to be like, hey, want to go to the plant store?
Oh, 100%. 100%.
Anyway,
so,
I'm glad you're here. Now he's going to have to come and plant. He's got to pay his dues.
No, now I'm going to have to go garden. So head over to Janey's channel. If you don't know, it is Dig, Plant, Water, Repeat. I'm going to link in the description down below. Make sure to subscribe to both of our channels, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.